Now we find the zeros of this polynomial, and we just go to fresh prompt. Right, try to find the zeros of this polynomial. The first step we do is just find all the possible rational zero. Which will be the factors of the constant over the leading coefficient. So we have factors of 4 over factors of leading coefficient will be 1. So this will be simple. Factors of 4, 1, 2, and 4 all over factors of 1. Now 1 over 1 is 1, 2 over 1 is 2, and 4 over 1 is 4. So we just have 1, 2, or 4. We can test from 1 by 1, but if we have the calculator, we just use it to guess the solution. Right. X to the 4th minus 2x cubed. Keep doing that. X to the 4th minus 2x cubed plus 5x squared minus ax plus 4. Usually when there is a multiplicity in the form. Now we look like it has to be 1. If not 1, then it's 2 or 4. Of course, it could be any irrational number as well. But let's check for 1. If it doesn't work, we go to 2, and then we go to 4. And if it doesn't work, then we cannot solve it this way. Right, so try 1. Right, carry down the 1. 1 times 1 is 1. Negative 1. 1 times negative 1 is negative 1. It's 4. Multiply. And then multiply 0. So our remainder is equal to 0. So this must be a 0. So we write x equal to 1 is a 0. That's 1. Now we just keep going with the remaining polynomial. So I just keep dividing from there. Right. As mentioned before, the graph looks like it touched the x-axis, and so in that case the multiplicity must be an even multiplicity. So we try 1 again. Brought down, we have 1 times 1, 0 times anything is 0. 1 times 4 is 4, and then 0. And that is a 0 remainder as well. So x equal to 1 is a 0. We already wrote that, but and also write that again. It doesn't hurt. And now we have this 3 terms, meaning it's going to be quadratic equation. This one is very simple. X squared equal to negative 4. X equal plus or minus square root of negative 4, or plus or minus I square 4, or plus or minus 2i. So we have the zeros x equal to 1 multiplicity of 2 because it works twice. So we say x equal to 1 multiplicity of 2 2i and minus 2i. The calculator only give us the guide for what the first zero we should check. As soon as we have three terms, we can just use quadratic. We just solve the quadratic equation. We don't need to go back to do this again. But we do need to know the first few zeros. And that is that. Thank you for watching.